Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ahana and here we talk about all things related to stationery, planners, productivity, organization and in general living your best life. And if that interests you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click the bell icon to be notified every single time I post a new video. If you are following my channel for the past couple of weeks, I've posted many planner walkthrough so that it helps you decide what kind of planner you want for 2024. And the first spread in almost all of these planners is always the vision board, and that's what we're discussing today. So I know a lot of you must have seen Pinterest or Instagram photos of different kinds of vision boards, and at first glance they look very daunting or intimidating, right? Because there are so many lofty dreams inside a vision board. But the correct way to use a vision board to make it most effective for you is to list out all of your dreams and plans, whatever you want to achieve for this year, and basically create an area where you can manifest all of your dreams, right? So for vision boards, what I like to do in my paper planners is usually use all of my stickers from different sticker sets and old planners, so I don't waste those also, and they allow me to have basically a free reign on my creativity. And what I like to do for a more effective version of a vision board is basically make it my phone wallpaper. I am 100% sure that at least for myself, I'm not going to open a paper notebook to that particular spread every single day, but I will definitely look at my phone every single day. And to date, all my wallpapers have been something which are some kind of a vision board related wallpaper. So I always love having that constant reminder in front of me, and I feel like that is the most effective way to, even if I'm say I really want to be fit and healthy, and if I see like a lot of dessert laid out in front of me, I will restrict myself to maybe just the ones, just because I know that my goal is to be fit. So this is just an example, but in different walks of your life and different phases and in different like categories, these vision board elements will always remind you what is more important, what is the thing that you need to strive towards, what is the thing that you're trying to grow into, and what are you trying to become, and that it will always keep you motivated and remind you what your like main goal is, right? So we will make a phone wallpaper version of the vision board on Canva, and I'm going to make a couple of different versions of it and have it linked down below for you to download if you feel like you resonate with any of my goals. And I will also take you through the whole process, so for those of you who have maybe very different goals from mine can also understand the process of making that particular vision board and make one for yourself. Please tag me on Instagram and show me what vision boards you made, because I am very excited to see what it's going to look like, and I hope all of your dreams for 2024 come true. So without further delay, let's get started. The first thing we will do, even before we open Canva, is basically understand all the different categories of your life. Now, if you're in school, it will probably look like maybe health, which should always be your most important priority. Then you probably will want to have like schoolwork, academics as one of the other important priorities. Maybe you have extracurriculars, maybe you play some sports, that is something that should be on it, and so on and so forth, right? So for me right now, I am a working professional, I am married, and I live with my husband in a different city from my family. So I want to have a few things that basically look into all aspects of my life. That needs to be family, that needs to be my relationship, that needs to be my friends, that also has like I want to spend enough time with all of these people. Then I also want to focus on my career a lot, like I want to learn a lot of new things. Then I obviously want to focus on my health and fitness. I also want to keep growing, so self-development is a big thing for me. I've always been somebody who's super into self-development, so I always keep taking courses and learning new things. So I want to make some concrete progress in that area. Then I also want to look after my mental health. Like I haven't been journaling for a while, so that is something that I want to get back into. Then I also want to focus on my creativity. So I've been kind of irregular with this channel because I was moving a lot, and it's just been all over the place. So I really want to get back to being more consistent with the YouTube channel. I want to get back into being more consistent with painting, and so that is like my creativity part of my life. Another big area would be finance. So because of everything that had happened last year, I was not able to focus as much as I would have liked to on my financial goals, and that is something that I really want to give a lot of time and importance and attention to this year, which also will tie back into my self-development thing, because I also want to understand how to manage personal finance better. So all of these are the major areas where I want to focus on. So let me show you how I break down all of these things, and then how am I searching for the particular photos that will actually inspire me. And like I said, I'm going to prepare a few versions of this. So I feel like quarter 1 I want to focus mostly on my health and self development. Maybe quarter 2 I'll focus on something else, quarter 3 something else. So that is something that I want to work out alongside you. So that's why I want to have like 4 different versions of this vision board, because in a different season of life a different thing is going to be most important to you. And I can't always be, if say for example, if I have a goal to lose 10 kgs, then I want to give myself 12 weeks to do that. I don't want to keep expanding the time to do that particular task, because then I will always think that okay, I have the entire year. But actually, if I limit that deadline, then I will want to work harder and I want to get there faster. And this is something that I learned from the 12-week year. So if this concept sounds interesting, do let me know in the comments. I might do a book review for you for the 12-week year, because it was a pretty fascinating and really, one of those self-help books whose advice is very applicable immediately. I really like that book. Let me know in the comments if you want to hear more about it. And yeah, let me take you to my vision board planning. Basically, we go to Canva, we look for phone wallpapers that will give us the exact dimension which would be correct for your phone wallpaper. Then you can see a lot of templates here, but we will select the blank template so that we can design it exactly how we want to. Now we will be using 4 different versions. Like I'm creating 4 different versions, and I will link everything down in the description so you can download these if you like. And I want each of the 4 backgrounds to be very different from each other, but I also want to have like a common theme. So I think my theme would probably be like bright, vibrant colors. And the first one will do a little bit of multicolor, just getting started into the year. The second one, I think I like a more defined patterns vibe. So let's see, this blue one looks pretty good. Then we will move on to the third one. And for the third one, I think I want to do something a little bright and airy. Let me see what I can find here. Yeah, this pink looks pretty good. I like the golden specks in it. It's really pretty. Then for the final page, I like the celestial one, but it's a little dark. Yeah, this bright blue one is much better. So that's my 4 backgrounds. Those are ready. So you basically can search any photo in Canva. Now I am showing you just a speeded up version of how I've prepared the 4 backgrounds, the 4 vision boards, but you can basically search for any photo, and as you can see, the little crown at the side indicates that it's a pro version of the photo, like a pro feature that you can't use the photo without watermarks. But most photos and almost all graphics you can find are going to be free. And even if they are not, you can always download something from the internet, and there's a space to upload photos, and you can upload your own photos, and then you can make your vision board very, very customized and exactly what you want, right? But I'm just using a few of the stock photos just to get an idea, because most of the things that I was searching for, I was able to find. Like as you can see, I'm scrolling through my uploaded photos also for some particular things, but mostly I can find whatever I need from the stock photos. So this way I am making 4 different versions, and I'm basically going to focus on different things and different parts of the year. So the first one that I'm making is going to focus on health and fitness, work, YouTube, just learning new things, spending time with family, that sort of stuff. We put the 2024 on it, and we're done with the first one. Then the second one, I want to give more focus on health and fitness and more focus on like work and learning new things. But also I want to slip in a vacation or 2, because the first half of the year, the first at least quarter, I'm pretty motivated, but in the second quarter kind of feel like need a little break. So I want to go on a little trip, not too far away, but I really like hills, and I would love to go to the hills for a short vacation. So that's what I have put in over here, and it's just people working, and I really want to double down and focus on my work in the second quarter, and also focus on living a healthy life basically. Then we put the 2024 in it, and we're done with the second one. For the third one, I think I want to focus on like a more cozy vibe. I want to be more journaling. I want to do yoga. I want to just spend time with myself. I want to focus on what is most important. I maybe want to sneak in a trip or 2 in the middle. Also, definitely get a lot of editing and shooting work done. I want to focus on YouTube. and that sort of thing. So I just want that to be front and center for me and not get ignored or pushed back because of any other priorities that might have come up during that time. But I really want the third quarter to be more about wellness and just focusing on YouTube and maybe a little travel here and there. Then we go on to the final one, the fourth one, and here I really want to spend time with my family, and I just want to prioritize that this quarter, because end of the year anyway there are a lot of festivals, there's a lot of opportunity to spend time with family, and I just want to be 100% present for that. I want to take a family vacation. I want to, because a lot of members of my family live in different places, so I just want to be able to spend time with all of them. Then I still focus on being healthy, like a lot of journaling, strength training, and healthy eating, also manifesting good finances this year, and lots of travel. So that is how I think we are done with the final version as well. I'm just going to link everything down below, so you can basically go to that link which is in the description and get whichever one you want to. That was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you do download the vision boards from the links below. Let me know which one is your favorite, and also share with me the kinds of vision board that you end up making. And yeah, I hope you have a great holiday season, and I'll see you next time. Bye.